In this experiment, we went to an art museum and put a pair of glasses on the ground. We acted interested in the glasses as if they were a piece of art. If we act interested in an object, will others follow, regardless of how random it is? If a few people acted interested in an object, then others will become interested. Our study will be conducted at an art museum. We will have participants at random and observe participants' behavior by recording their reactions.
Minority influence is the ability for a small number of people or just a specific person to influence or change the behavior or opinion of a larger group. This pertained to our project because we wanted to see if one or two people being drawn to the glasses would create a larger crowd of people. A role is an imposed set of expectations relating to how a person should act in a specific situation. This pertains to our experiment because we wanted to test if a person would fulfill the role of acting interested in the glasses even though they knew better. Normative social influence is when a person changes their opinion or behaviors because they want to gain approval or avoid disapproval from their peers. This relates to our experiment because we wanted to test if people would act interested in the glasses because they wanted others to think that they were knowledgeable about modern art. A good article that we found was posted to the website for the World Academy of Art and Science and is titled Individuality and Social Conformity. It provides a really good outline and basis that explains social conformity and reasons why it happens, including the power of habit, fear of punishment or ostracism, and fear of change or unwillingness to change. It also explains how conformity influences our everyday lives. An interesting study that we found was done at the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Germany. In this experiment, a team of researchers had 2-year-old children drop a ball into a box divided into 3 sections, one of which always had a chocolate in it. After learning which section had a chocolate in it, this group watched another group of kids do the same experiment. However, this time, no sections had chocolate in it. After the original group went again, their second time around, they intentionally chose the wrong section so that they wouldn't get a reward like their peers. For our data, unfortunately, there weren't as many people at the art museum as we thought there would be, so we couldn't get as big of a sample size as we would have liked. Only about 20 subjects actually saw the glasses, and even then, only 2 or 3 actually had a reaction, and the reaction was really only a quick stop so that they could take a second look at the glasses. In conclusion, our experiment did not provide us with the results that we had hoped it would because we didn't get enough people, and we based our experiment off of something that a San Francisco student did a few months ago, and it went viral. He put a pair of glasses down on in a modern art museum in California, and a whole crowd of people formed and started to even take pictures of the glasses. So we were hoping to replicate that experiment and those results. However, since we didn't and we didn't get enough people and only a few people had minor reactions, it really showed the importance of other people and the amount of people in social conformity. And we now know that if you want to test social conformity, you do need to have a lot of people there because that really makes it a lot easier.